Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into the healthiest foods you should be eating daily. These nutrient-packed powerhouses will keep you energized, boost your immune system, and improve overall well-being. Ready? Let's get started. First up, we have leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are incredible sources of vitamins A, C, and K, plus they're loaded with fiber. They help reduce inflammation and support heart health. A simple spinach salad can make a big difference in your health. Next, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants. They fight free radicals that damage your cells, boost brain function, and even improve your skin. Toss them into your morning smoothie or yogurt for a delicious, nutritious kick. Now, let's talk about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are tiny but mighty. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They can lower your risk of heart disease and help control your blood sugar levels. Sprinkle some on your oatmeal or grab a handful as a snack. Don't forget about fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation. Aim to include them in your meals at least twice a week. Now, on to avocados. These creamy delights are more than just a trendy toast topping. They're packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium. They can help lower bad cholesterol levels and keep you feeling full longer. Add them to your salads or blend them into a smoothie. Garlic is next on the list. This pungent bulb is a powerhouse of nutrients and has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. It's known to boost the immune system, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Add it to your dishes for a burst of flavor and health benefits. And we can't forget sweet potatoes. These colorful tubers are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in your body. They promote good vision, support your immune system, and are a great source of fiber. Bake them, mash them, or roast them. They're delicious any way you prepare them. Lastly, Greek yogurt. This creamy treat is a fantastic source of protein, calcium, and probiotics. It supports gut health, boosts your immune system, and helps build strong bones. Enjoy it with some honey and berries for a nutritious breakfast or snack. There you have it, the top healthiest foods you should eat daily. Incorporate these into your diet and watch how they transform your health. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Stay healthy and keep thriving. Catch you next time.